What is going on, you guys? Crypto for Life here. So pretty much what we're gonna do, since everybody's all crazy for XRP and how to do it and how to exchange it and how to swap it over, I'm gonna basically show you how to do it really, really easily, really simple. So what I did is that I'm basically buying it. I'm buying it on my Coinbase account, right? This is just how to do it one way. There's other ways to do it. You can actually go on BITRUE and actually do it. But right now, I'm just going to show you the really simple way to do it. Most people don't know that you could do this, but it's very, very simple. So what we're going to do is called a swap, right? So I already bought some Litecoin over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send my Litecoin to my Exodus wallet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this button over here. Well, if you don't have a Coinbase account, hopefully you have one. If you go under portfolio and look for Litecoin, it should be on there, right? And so I'm going to do right now is I'm going to send it over to my Exodus wallet, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be swapping. I'm going to hit the exchange button up top here, and I'm going to swap for Litecoin for XRP. So what I'm going to do now is, and a lot of times you'll check to see if the network's available. Right now, the network is available. So I can go ahead and do a swap. So I need my receiving wallet address for Litecoin, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Litecoin. I'm going to click receive, and I'm going to press copy. And now that I got that, I'm going to send all of my Litecoin from Coinbase over to my Exodus wallet. So this is my receiving wallet address on Exodus wallet. And I always double check to make sure. LBH, ZSQ, ZSQ, move this over a little bit, LBH. So now I know like the matching wallet addresses is awesome. So I can go ahead and just label it Exodus wallet, right? And then when I click, let's see, continue, all right, it's gonna show me a little network fee that they charge me. I can go over the conversions now, but basically you can actually go over the conversions. And it says it's going to take about 30 minutes in order to send it, right? Not so lightning fast, huh? Litecoin, not so lightning fast. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to send that over to my Exodus wallet, right? And then we are going to wait a couple of minutes for it to show up, and it should show up relatively fast on here. Usually it happens pretty fast. See, it shows up pretty fast. So usually that doesn't happen all the time. For some reason, I tried to do this last time with somebody and it didn't work this fast. So pretty much all we do now that we sent that over, so we bought our crypto on Coinbase, we sent it over with our wallet address, and now all we got to do now is just do an exchange. So when we do an exchange, we're going to swap our Litecoin for XRP. And I'm just going to basically swap all of it. It's going to let me know, hey, I'm going to get 72 XRP to swap that over. Not a whole lot. This is not the best time to do it. I've been kind of telling people, listen, you want to get it when a coin is under under whatchamacallit, like $1, right? So here's some other coins that I would much rather prefer to convert it over, like Vechain, right? Vechain is awesome. So look how much I'm getting, 1,000 Vechain, right? And it's a staking coin. I can get a lot. I'm almost to just go ahead and just do it and just switch the button. But basically, that's how you kind of actually do it. I kind of already have a lot of XRP. And this is not all my XRP right here anyway. But I have a lot of XRP. I can switch this over and get some other coins. Let's say I wanted to get some, but anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and just press the exchange button because this just sounds so much better. This just feels so much better. But I would not mind getting more XRP anyway. I mean, this is an XRP video, so I guess I should just kind of do the XRP, but this is so much, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. You guys can see how it's done, so I'll just switch over for XRP next time. But that's how you actually do it. Pretty simple. And then you just click the exchange button, And then that's it. It's gonna load up inside my wallet, and I'm gonna have more Vechain, which is awesome anyway. I love it. 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 And that's it. So what happens is that your coins actually go from your Exodus wallet to a crypto exchange, and then back to your wallet. Because what they're doing is that they're basically buying and selling your crypto against other cryptos, and that's how you're able to actually get the coin that you're getting. Versus you going on an exchange, sending your coin to exchange, selling it for another coin, and then sending that coin from that wallet back to your Exodus wallet. That's what you would have to actually do. And I'll probably just do another video to actually explain how that process works with my Binance account. And that's how you do it. You just need to know receiving and sending wallet addresses. That is really the whole key to this whole process. You just kind of sort of take your time and pace yourself. And it's actually pretty simple. So it's not so hard, not so bad. I hope you like this video. It's very, very short, but it's pretty much to the point. The reason why I kind of chose Vechain, by the way, because Vechain is a staking coin. So I get more of it just for holding it. And the more I get is 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 the more I get, right? And that's the name of it, right? That's the name of the game. It's just gaining more coin for doing absolutely nothing. And that is the whole purpose of this video. I hope you like it. Like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoy that. Peace.